Yo, welcome to Tech Mix. In this video, we'll show you how to install OptiFine for Minecraft Java Edition on PC. Wait. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's go! OptiFine is a great mod that can make your game run smoother and let you use shaders. Installing it is pretty easy once you know the steps. First, to download OptiFine, you can open up a browser and go to optifine.net. And once you're here, you can click on the download step at the top. You're going to see lots of different versions here. Find the Minecraft version you want to play. For example, Minecraft 121 for me. Click Preview Versions and click on Download. You'll go to an ad page, and what you need to do is wait for the skip button to appear at the top right. Just click on it, and then click the Download button. It's going to be the Downloads folder. Before we continue with the installation, you'll have the OptiFine installer. It will be in a jar extension, so you'll need to install Java to open it. You can go to java.com, and here just click Download Java for Desktop, and then download and install the latest version on your PC. After we install Java, you'll need a tool called Jarfix. You can search Jarfix on Google and then go to this website here by Johan Leman. Now here, just download the .exe files and open it up, and it should fix the problem. The OptiFine installer window will pop up. It should already show the correct path to your Minecraft folder. Can then open the installer, right-click on it, open with, and open it up with Java. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget subs.